Alright y'all, glad you're on our site. Today I'll show you how it is easy and fun to make the best smoked mac and cheese. Hi y'all, Don here with Southern Backyard Cooking. Today we're going to make the cheesiest mac and cheese with a southern flair. I'll be covering the preparation, how to cook it, and how to enjoy the finished product, our mac and cheese. Okay, so I've already boiled our macaroni. That's the biggest thing. It takes 10-15 minutes depending on what kind of macaroni I'm using, penne macaroni. And so we're going to add our ingredients. I'm going to use 1 can of evaporated milk. I'm going to use 1 cup of milk. Then I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of bacon bits. If you can do fresh bacon bits, that's even better. I'm going to use 1 stick of butter. 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. 8 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese. Going to do about a tablespoon of some kind of Dijon mustard. I have Grey Poupon. And then 8 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. And as you can see, it's kind of overflowing everything. It's not hot at this point, so we just want to kind of mix it up a little bit to get everything down to where it's not over the pan. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to put it out on the smoker. We're going to do it at 300 degrees for 15 minutes. Then we're going to mix it up. Do another 15 minutes and mix it up again. And at that point in time we'll kind of check it. So we're going to go out to the smoker now, guys. Alright y'all, we're back out here at the smoker, about ready to put our mac and cheese on. Got it set for 200 degrees. All we're going to do is throw it in here. And we're going to do that for 15 minutes. And then we're going to come out and mix it up. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes. We're going to take our mac and cheese out. Set it right here. Close this back up. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to mix it all up. Make sure everything gets mashed up. Okay, now we're going to put it back in for about another 15-20 minutes and then we'll mix it up again. Alright y'all, going to pull out the mac and cheese and mix it up, make sure it's all mixed up real well. It's smelling good. Oh, so thick, so juicy. Alright, so we got that ready. We're going to go back in the smoker for about another 15-20 minutes. Alright guys, we're checking it out. Oh yeah. Boy, that looks good. Cover that back up and we're going to mix it up one last time. Make sure that, oh man. See how that is? Nice and thickening up. I believe we're getting close. So what we're going to do, our last little step, let me mash this down a little bit here and there, is we're going to add some panko breadcrumbs right across the top. Not a whole lot, but just enough to lightly cover it. Stick them back in there. I'm going to brown those up a little bit for about another 15 minutes and we'll be ready to eat. Welcome back y'all. Just pulled the mac and cheese out. Boy, it looks good. I'm going to scoop me a little bit out here. Nice and cheesy. Look at that. Ooh. Give it a little taste. Oh, look at the cheese on that thing. It's stringy as Oh my God. Man, now that you will definitely enjoy. I hope that y'all enjoyed my video. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button in the bottom corner down there. Till next time, guys.